Unlike other areas of Dubai, there's lots of parking. M15 says, let's go Serbia. Yes, I'm having a look at the draw. You're going to have to wait a little while for Serbia. The Gendarmerie of Serbia, 59th in the draw. The Cobras of Serbia, 64 in the draw. So, it's the turn of the Rwandans. I think it's just worth remembering that the Rwandans went round very quickly last year. 1-0-1 from Rwanda SWAT Team 2. SWAT Team A went round in 1-0-1 earlier on this afternoon, so that's the time to beat. 59.4 seconds is their personal record here on day 2, the hostage rescue. Get up those stairs. One round, one chance, one shot. Otherwise, it's a penalty if it's a miss. No issues now. The assaulters can go. Well, I don't think they're going to beat that rapid time that they set last year. Rwanda SWAT Team 1, 59.43. This is going to be slower than that this year, but can they beat their colleagues? Rwanda A, who went round in 1:01.5. And across the line in 1:20.4 for Rwanda B.
Like an obsession, give it all I got. Gotta fight, no, I won't stop. Taking no chances. It's the final shot to come alive and reach the top. It's the UAE SWAT challenge, hosted by 2 police. This is an emergency. Don't stand in
Next out. It's Chile, the tactical brigade of Chile. I saw them warming up earlier on, going through the motions. They were visualizing the tower, the kill house in their heads. Quite interesting to see, actually, and watch. Remember, they do get practice time ahead of the UAE SWAT challenge, but not a lot. Sniper's got that round chambered. Oh, there's a problem. Oh, is the round chambered? Or is there an issue? Oh, it's all going wrong for Chile. The assaulters are waiting at the bottom. Now, what I think may have happened is there wasn't a round in that magazine, was there? Well, the clock is still ticking. The sniper is coming down from the top of the tower. Was there a problem with the round? Well, they are going. Oh, maybe it was a dud round. Well, I'm not sure exactly what happened there with the tactical brigade of Chile, but either way, the assaulters have gone. Maybe we'll get a word from the judges. Finally, they breached that door. Well, problems for Chile. Not the start that they would have wanted, and certainly not the start that the sniper would have wanted. It looked to me like there wasn't an issue and he chambered the round, but who knows? I'll try and find out a little bit more for you. The deadweight dummy is up and on the shoulders. The clock has just ticked past the 2-minute mark. Out the door, down the steps, and now they can head for the finish line. The tactical brigade of Chile in 2:16.3.
Good job. About the time?
Well, what happened? What happened at the top of that tower? What happened with that, the chambering of the round? All of that's going to come out, surely, in that debrief. The UAE SWAT Challenge 2026. It's the turn of India next. And big support for the Indian contingent. Jai Hind! NSG of India, their first time here. So, no time to measure themselves against for last year. The fastest time so far today, China B, 54.8. And of course, there's always a rivalry, isn't there, between their neighbours, or with their neighbours. Pakistan, they went round in 1:15.3. So that's the time to beat for NSG here on day 2 of the UAE SWAT Challenge. You can get us on social media as well. Instagram, Dubai Police, Twitter, or X, Dubai Police, Facebook, Dubai Police. Here we go. The sniper is off and running. Oh, he's dropped something on his way up those stairs. I hope it's just a glove or something like that and nothing important. But I definitely saw something fall to the ground on these sprint up that second flight of stairs. 1 round, 1 target. And you see there's that issue we were talking about with regards to the barrel. Sometimes they just want to raise it, but you can only raise it as high as that rim. A hit. So far, penalty free. Gas masks on. Through the breaching door at the second attempt. We've just crossed the minute mark. And the targets look good. So now it's a sprint across the finish. We've just gone over 1:15. And they can head back towards the finish line, out the door, and a sprint to the finish for NSG of India, and across the line, 1:29.3.
SWAT Challenge. Who's about to
Geek Coda says, good luck showing. That's the Tajikistan team. They haven't gone out yet. DJ Lee. Are you a DJ, Lee? With your name being DJ Lee? I'm here to support Rwanda. Now Rwanda go. We were all tricked. The screen said it was Rwanda that went earlier. It wasn't, it was Kenya. It's Rwanda that go now. And just a reminder of Rwanda Team A, 101.5. That's the time to beat as far as the Rwandans are concerned. First you want to beat your colleagues, then you want to beat the best. Just crossed the 30-second mark for Rwanda SOF team, the second of the Rwanda teams. This looks good. Remember, Team 1 went round last year on the hostage rescue day in 59.3. They're not going to beat that time. Out of the kill house and a sprint towards the finish line. 104.5 for Rwanda B.
Good job, okay.
Not as quick as their A-team colleagues. A little push for the sniper to get him on his way. Were you happy with that, DJ Lee? Elko says that's how it's done, supporting Rwanda. Cosmo says, hey Joe, please send a hello to the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Kazakhstan. Hello Cosmo. Hello the MOI of Kazakhstan, who apparently are all gathered around a TV watching. Why no teams from Western Europe, says Kia. We had a team from Northern Ireland last year, but you are correct. Actually, we'll have Greece. Greece is Western Europe, isn't it? A team from Greece this year, first timers in the UAE SWAT Challenge. Ekam, they are out a little bit later on. Just have a look at the bottom of your screen there. You can probably see the heel of that Vietnamese sniper. Just a little push off from his colleague's toe. Fine details, it's fine details. He's going up those stairs rapidly through the door, out onto the balcony for that approximate 60-meter shot. There we go, no issues. The assaulters are away. Peggy Mays says, is this the Vietnamese team? Yes, it is. All targets dispatched. This looks good. This looks good. Can they come home in under a minute? Which anything a minute or under is a super time. Can they cross the line in under a minute? 1:01.8, just missing out. The Vietnamese police special force team. Catherine Osillo says, who are the top three? If you want to keep track of the standings as the day goes on, then UAE SWAT